My name is Navi, and I am the Development Director at Pomona Catholic. We wanted something that was low maintenance because we don't really have much of a water source out here, nor do we have the personnel to maintain it. We wanted something that was easy to care for, as well as, we wanted long lifespan. And so with the amount of traffic that our students and staff will be using this worked out perfect for our school needs. We haven't really had any type of renovation at our school. Coming out here and witnessing the changes, and it wasn't something gradual, it just happened so quickly, it just felt like a dream for us. We have our students playing soccer out here, which is something rare for us. Instead of having our faculty meetings inside the building, we use it outside as a gathering space and to build community. So it really has served us in many ways. Some people said, oh my gosh, we've always dreamt of this, and now to actually see it is like a dream come true.